And welcome to this BookLife.com video tutorial where we're going to take a look at how to create an account on BookLife.com. When you get to BookLife.com, you'll see up here in the upper right hand of the navigation bar, it says register. If you click on register, you'll see this form, and if you fill in your name and your email address on here, and then create a password that is 8 characters or longer. Also, you'll see it will subscribe you to the BookLife newsletter, which comes out every week and has great information. So if you don't want to do that, you can uncheck that, but it's a great email newsletter, so be sure to sign up. We hit create account, and now we have the beginnings of our profile. If you scroll down a bit here, you'll see there's a place to upload a photo. There's also a place to enter information about who you are. So first thing, if we want to enter a photo, we click this. We choose the file on our computer where we want to do it, get the photo from, and then we hit the blue checkbox to say that yes, that's the photo I want. And now our photo is here. If you want to change the photo at any time, you just click this arrow and you can choose a new file. For now, we'll use that one. You can select which roles you are as an independent author, whether you're an author or an illustrator as well, or maybe you're a translator, or you could be a contributor to an anthology or an editor of an anthology, or in some cases you may be a service provider. You may be any combination of these, so you can check off whichever ones apply to you. And then again, if you hit the blue checkbox, it will save that information. If you'd like to say where you're from, so you might say New York, New York, and check that. Now that's there. And then if you have a website, you want to put that here as well. And when you do that, make sure you put the https:// and then put whatever your particular website is for you as an author, or whichever role you want to promote, and you click the checkbox, and that's now here as well. We have a place where you can enter your biography. So you can say, here is my bio, and you can add lots of information. You can bold and italicize, you can do certain formatting on it, and then your biography is there. If you want to change it or update it at all you have to do is click on it. You'll get the same box again. Any changes you make, you hit the blue check marks and they're there. If you have a Facebook fan page, you would do it the same way. You'd fill it out, hit the blue check box, and that would be stored there. And then here we have your email address. It says very clearly here that it will be kept private and will not be published. Also, if you want to list your birth date, your birthplace, so if you came from, let's say, Los Angeles, California, and you wanted to put that down, you could list that there. At that point, your profile is done. If you want to, for any reason, delete your account, you can always go onto this profile page and click delete account. Once you have your account, you have the ability to add projects, which are the books, and we'll explore that in another video. If you're a service provider, you can click on the add or edit services, and that's where you can go in and add information about your particular service. If you provide design services or editorial services, you would add all of that information here. And it uses the same metaphors. If you have a logo, you click here, you locate where your logo is, you look it up on your computer, and you enter it. All of this information, when you click it, you get a box, you fill in the information, and you click the blue checkbox, and it saves that information. So that's the basics on how you create your profile. One other note, when you're not on the actual profile page, your profile page, and you get to that by going to the front page of BookLife.com, so here we are, but if you're on another page on the site, you'll see this little tag here, which is where your profile information is contained. So you can go here and you can just click on the complete your profile button, and it will allow you to go in here and edit your profile at any time. And that's how you create a profile.